Let me show you how to take screenshots on the Galaxy A27 5G. Now, the first way to take a screenshot is the normal Android way, which is power and volume down button combination. So power, volume down, press those two buttons together. That takes a screenshot of the entire page. And of course, you have the options to share, to edit, and open up the AI features to play around with the screenshot. So that's volume down and power. That takes a screenshot. Okay. Now, you can also take a screenshot by swiping down to the quick settings panel and sliding down and looking for the screenshot option. Now, in case it's not there by default, you can add it by tapping on the edit button to open up the quick settings editor and then tap on edit. And now you're looking for the screenshot option. Now, actually, for this new Samsung UI, you simply need to come down here and tap on add a control. So just tap on add a control and then select screenshot. It's going to get added, and now you can scroll down and add it to this section here. So let's long press on it and then let's move it up, and then let's place it here in the quick settings area and then tap on done. Okay, so now when you want to take a screenshot, just swipe down. You will see the screenshot option. Tap on it. It's going to take a screenshot for you. Now, you can also take the swipe palm to screenshot your screen. So you just swipe your palm in either direction and it's going to take a screenshot. All screenshots are going to get saved in your gallery. So if you go to your phone's gallery, you will find all your screenshots in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.